Hello guys, hello, welcome to session 441.
Yes, 41. Welcome, guys. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we want to talk about a nice conversation between these two beautiful girls, Hedma and Erica. Let's look at the pictures. They are talking about grandma and grandpa. Yes?
Yeah,
Okay, so I want to ask you a question. Please look at the picture, the pictures on the wall. How old are the grandparents? Can you guess? What do you think? How old
I
are they?
I think grand grandma she's 55 years old and grandpa 62 or 65 years old.
55, 65, yes?
Yeah,
Okay, good. Now we want to listen to the conversation, just listen. And if you're watching this video, try to listen carefully and listen for the answer. How old are Erica's grandparents? Let's go ahead and listen.
Page 27. 2. Building language. A. Listen. How old are Erica's grandparents?
So, who's this? My grandma, and this is my grandpa. He's a nice man. He's 78 now. Really? And how old is your grandmother? She's 72. She's very pretty. What's her name? Angela. That's a nice name. So, where are your grandparents from originally? They're from Texas.
How old are they?
72 and 78.
Yes. Who's 72? Grandmother or grandfather?
72, she's grandmother.
Grandmother, right. And grandpa is 78. Erica's grandfather is 78. Erica's grandmother is 72. Now, let's go back to the conversation. Look at the text, please, and let's practice. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I read Padma, you read Erica. So, who's this?
Sorry. My grandma and this is my grandpa.
Yeah, continue. He's
Holy shit. He's a nice man. He's 78 now.
really? And how old is your grandmother?
Grandmother, she is 72.
She's very pretty. What's her name?
Angela.
That's a nice name. So, where are your grandparents from originally?
They are from Texas.
Thank you. Do you have any questions here?
No.
Okay, let's move on to part B. Can you complete these questions?
Sorry. Originally,
Yes.
what's mean here?
Yeah, good question. So we have a question here. Where are your grandparents from originally? Yes. Where are your grandparents from originally? It means, for example, I live in New York, but I am originally from Los Angeles. Okay, so I was born in a different city.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you were a child, where are you from? Where were you from? Okay, like the first place that you grew up in. Okay.
For example, I born in Asia, but I live in America.
That's right. So you are originally from Asia,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's complete the questions. We have 4 questions. Number 1 is, who's the man in the photo? And number 2, 3, and 4. Let's complete these questions.
What his wife's name? Yeah.
What or what's?
What's his wife's name?
What's his
Number-
wife's name?
Yeah. Number 3. How old Erica's grandparents? 70 and 75.
Okay.
Number 4. Where are they from originally?
Yes, where are they from originally? So today we want to talk about these 4 questions that we have. Who's, where, and where are. Let me type them on the board for you. So who's the man in the photo? Who's the man in the photo? What's was the question? What's his wife's
His
name?
wife's name.
Number 3, how old are Erica's grandparents and where are they from originally? Let's practice the questions. Number one, who's the man in the photo? So in the photo conversation, who's the man in the photo?
My grandpa, his name is,
We don't have the name. It's
yeah,
grandpa, yes. Erica's grandpa. Number two, what's his wife's name?
Angela. She is
Angela.
Angela.
She's Angela. And number three, how old are Erica's grandparents?
72 and 78.
72 and 78. And where are they from originally?
They are from Texas.
Texas, right. Very nice. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. Now, at the end of this video, I want to ask you a question. If you have grandparents, please write about them. We would love to know. So answer this question about your grandparents. How old
Are they?
are they? How old are they? For example, I say my grandparents are 65 and 72 years old. Please answer this about your grandparents. So again, the question is, how old are your grandparents?
And where are they from originally?
Yes, that's also a
This
good question.
this
Where are they
question
from? That is good. How old are your grandparents? And if you don't have any grandparents, like they are not alive, they are dead, you can say, I don't have any grandparents. It means they are not alive, they are not here, and they are dead. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to comment for us and like the videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels. See you in the next session. Goodbye.